Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? I'm your math teacher, Masuma Jamal. This is your math book. This name is Wow Maths. Name Wow Maths. And writer Garima Sorogi. And publisher Sarvesh Srivastav. So students, before starting book, we will revision number and counting and backward counting. So students, counting 1 to 100 and backward counting 100 to 1, like that. Backward counting 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91 and 90. So students, write your fair copy, number 1 to 100 and backward counting 100 to 1. After that, learn your book name, writer name Garima Sarogi and publisher name Sarvesh Srivastav. After that, uh, send your homework of your WhatsApp group. Thank you.